common Agile and Scrum misconceptions. We will debunk some of the most common Agile and Scrum myths and shed light on the realities of these methodologies. Agile versus Scrum, understanding the difference. In reality, Agile is a broader methodology that emphasizes flexibility and adaptability, while Scrum is a specific framework within the Agile approach. Agile focuses on iterative development, customer collaboration, and responding to change, while Scrum defines roles, ceremonies, and artifacts to guide the development process. Debunking Agile misconceptions. Myth: Agile is only for software reality. While Agile was originally developed for software projects, its principles can be applied to various industries and project types. Myth: Agile means no planning or documentation. Reality: Agile encourages adaptive planning and flexible documentation to support changing requirements throughout the project. Scrum framework, roles and ceremonies. Scrum defines specific roles within the development team, including the product owner, Scrum Master, and development team. Each role has unique responsibilities to ensure the success of the project. Scrum misconceptions and realities. Myth: the Scrum Master is a project manager. Reality: while the Scrum Master facilitates the Scrum process, their role is focused on removing impediments and coaching the team, rather than traditional project management tasks. Myth: Scrum is a rigid methodology with strict rules. Reality: Scrum provides a framework for iterative development, but allows teams to adapt and customize the process to fit their specific needs. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding the realities of Agile and Scrum is essential for successful project management.